So I'll be showing you how to show or hide certain icons in the status bar of your OnePlus 13. So basically customizing the status bar of your OnePlus 13 by choosing which icons to show and which ones to hide. Go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll and tap on Notifications and Quick Settings. Tap on that and then tap on Status Bar. And then you should see the option, or rather the section for status bar icons. And here you can choose which ones to show and which ones to hide. So for instance, you can choose to hide the silent mode icon. So you tap on that, that disappears. Let's work with the ones that are currently showing. So we have all these icons here. So let's say, for instance, we have Bluetooth. You can show or hide the Bluetooth icon. We have the HD voice, which is the VOLTE, which is this one showing up here. If you want to hide that, you can just turn it off and it disappears. Let me just show you that again. So you can just disable it and it disappears from the status bar. So this is why you can choose which icons you want to show and which ones you want to hide. So you can see Bluetooth, I can hide or I can show it. So depending on what you want really and how you want your status bar to look, you can actually customize using all these options. So that is basically how to show or hide the status bar icons on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.